year's innovation tour, I would say it went really good, since as we went to most of the community colleges and we had a huge turnout at our tent. So our 3 accounts that we're pushing would have been the regular savings account, partner plans, and transactional account or checking account. This was very good because instead of having persons coming into the branch to find out the information, what they need to open the accounts, we actually came to them to tell them what you actually need and what the process is like.
We have reached a number of students who maybe we would not have reached through the tour. It allows us to interact with a new segment, new persons, and to also share the information that we have, educate them about how to start a business, what it means to being compliant. It has given us a platform on this tour to really engage students who we would probably not otherwise engage.
This year's Innovation College Tour had helped to promote and trend it that it has given us exposure, it has expanded our customer base, which we were definitely aiming for. The stops that we made were different. We had different experience, however, it has helped to also build our Instagram followers, which we will get customers there. We do thank the Release Innovation Tour for giving us the platform to go ahead and promote our business.
This is my first year and I have enjoyed it, and the interaction with students and staff was good, and I'm looking forward to next year.
It has helped a lot of persons, both from the 14 parishes, to know about 7 Seas or Hamanamo, Trojan, Baptiste near. And also our students and teachers come out as well to make purchases.
It's been a great experience to be on the tour. And we had iCool, our Conquer energy drink, and our Lyric soft drink. And I think that this tour has been so good for young people as myself and for others because it encourages and motivates us with a lot of things.
I really enjoyed the experience. It was 1 in a million, nothing like I've ever felt before in a very long time because I haven't really performed in a long time. But yeah, I'm looking forward for another performance. I think shell off, man, shell off it like.
Yeah, start feed her from pineapple, grapes and cherry. Tell her dash when the old blackberry girl I when you did there all this time.
I am a woman and so much more. Watches after my power song, yeah.
The reception here was awesome. I think the tour is helping us artists to get to a younger cross-section of our nation, to introduce them to our music and who we are as artists, and so increase our fan base.
Dog want more. Christmas I come down again, nah, do not know. Me here get like cuss over fry plant no.
Yeah man, the tour nice man. They don't know, it's a great experience around the whole of the college man thing, so they don't know, it's a great experience, I love it.
It was lovely, fun, happiness, love. May I tell you, say, the release tour was, may I tell you, it was the bomb.
Say, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Be somebody great in a life and make a change, yeah.
You know, say, I just tour show them, do, and the vibe's nice, so I can just imagine the whole tour. You see me and my friend, them, I said, bad, you know?
And they say, oh God, when you got to give your best friend your show by yeah.
It's always a pleasure performing for people. You understand, over years been working on the craft, been working on stage presence and everything and that. I mean, the energy was great. I love the kids, I understand, I love the vibe and everything. It was a great experience.
Have on your style, what them call it. When we say this time name again now. Everything we do, what we give them.
Okay. It has been amazing. It has been a fun ride. Shout out to all of the rest of the artists, them. Shout out to you guys, the team who make it possible. I just want to thank the release team, the whole team for having me. And yeah, it's been fun. It's been an amazing ride, and you know, every single one was a whole different experience.
Slim jump with another hit song. Just put a girl and a play a next one. So the dice roll as contention.
It was great. The vibes did up and nice and well slick, you know what I mean?
I like the experience, you know what I mean? And it was a joy, you get what I say, most definitely.
Hey! Me tall a girl, me short a girl, me want a girl, me ask a girl, me pass a girl, me pass a girl, we preach and pray for girl, me girl.
It was super sensational as yeah, you know, so a new word. As I say, yeah, me can't call it back still, but a new word. The tour was very tremendous. Me love it, me like it, me everything, me even know what to say. As I say, the tour nice, innovation tour, the release, trust me, and the food tastes good.
Hey! What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do?
Well, it was a successful one, and as the artists came and performed, we enjoyed ourselves. As the host, you know, encouraged us to do the right thing in society and everything, and I enjoyed it.
The experience was really great, you know what I mean? Meeting a lot of different places, interacting with different artists, and getting good feedback. The Release Innovation School Tour was a good look for this year, 2019.
It was wonderful. The experience is nice. Today I visit the booth J2J Accessory, and yes, I purchased a ring and it was reasonable. And yes, it was great. QQ! I was so happy when I see him, yes. So yes, it was a great experience and I would like it to come back next year. It was fun!
Put a smile by your face, all right then.
Touch, she give them a touch.